Hi guys, my name is Monster. Welcome back for some video, and today, yes, another video, but this is actually a different video. Today I'm actually going to try, but this is what I did and this is what I got. How to get 1k subscribers. I will give you 10 tips of what you have to do to get at least a lot of subscribers, and I'm gonna say, warning, this may help you or this may be ignorant, but trust me, I did this and this worked for me a lot easier. So anyways, I have 10 tips of what you have to do. You will learn this and you will get, I'm not gonna say you will not gonna get 1k in 10 minutes, but I'm saying you will learn how to get 1k in 10 minutes. Tip number 1, have a good YouTube channel name. That's the first thing. Not short, not long, simple and recognizable. You know, those YouTubers, those popular YouTubers has like PewDiePie. It's actually the thing that you, oh, it's cool, the name is cool, and it will stay on your head. Not because he's popular. For me, it stayed in my head. And then I was like, who's PewDiePie? From like 4 years ago, and I was like, whoa, this is pretty cool. Anyways, that is really good. Don't take my name on my channel like away, because I know that my YouTube channel name is actually pretty big. Monster of Truth is actually pretty big. I don't want to actually short it up. I don't want to actually remove the of truth. I don't want to get just Monster. I want to have Monster of Truth, because it's kind of tradition, because my last channel was in Portuguese, because if you do not know, I'm Portuguese, and it was called Monstro de Verdade. Monstro de Verdade in English it's Monster of Truth. That's why, yeah. But probably if I had a good and simple name and catchy name, I'll probably get to a lot of people heads more, sure. Tip number 2, good and a flashy image, a catchy image. So my image, my YouTube image is actually Nicole, my mascot. Like, you don't need to have your mascot or something, you just need a good and simple and clean one, not like a really a lot of colors. A simple colors, simple image. If it can even be you in the image, just a good one of your pictures. Tip number 3, decide what content you're gonna make. This actually helped me a lot, because if you do not know, my channel is universal. I do a lot more things than just animations like this. I do tutorials, I do gameplays, I do vlogs, I do animations, I do raps. I'm not even kidding, I already did raps. I do skits, I do a lot more stuff than you do not know. Please do watch those videos, because it's much better than the animations. Well, this tip is gonna help you a lot, because you will know what to do on your channel, and people will know what will see on that channel, and if they like it, they will subscribe. Tip number 4, have a good camera and a good microphone. Now this one can be pricey, however, if you search it a lot, it may be good, because when you actually want to have a camera like mine, like a professional camera, like a Canon, a Sony one, yes, you will have to buy a really good. Mine is a Canon 80D. I kind of overdid it, but it's one of the recent camera, and I don't want to be lower. I don't want to go low, and then next year or even month, people will have a better camera than me. So I want to stay at least in the middle. Yeah, and microphone. I am actually going to make I'm actually going to buy another one, but this one, if you do not know, this is from Trust, and for me it's much better than Blue Yeti. Why is it better? Because when you are actually choosing a microphone, you will need to know if your voice is bassy or clean. Mine is really bass, so that's why I bought this, because this enhances the bass, so that's why I love this microphone. However, I have to buy another one because I don't know, I actually love the one that I wanna buy, and I wanna make it better, to sound better. If you wanna have a good camera, and if you actually just make gameplays or just talking, don't use a Canon. Use a camera like you want. You can actually use your phone camera. This camera, which I already did and I loved it, then I use that one. However, if you do want to be a professional, so if you actually want a good and cheap camera, like a webcam, the only webcam that you have to buy, it's the C920. And if you think that for me it's like 80 euros, it's actually less for you guys on Amazon. It's like $55. Buy it. I'm not even kidding. It's the best thing in the market, the best webcam in the market, because it's really cheap and everyone uses. I'm not even kidding, everyone uses. For streaming too, everyone uses. I don't have that, but I'm gonna buy that. And of course, the lighting. I'm not even kidding, the light is actually pretty important. If you buy the camera or if you buy a webcam, you will think, oh, okay, they will have a good light, a good like quality. Yes, but no, you still need a light to shine it on your face to make it prettier. So I have two, this one and that one, which is actually behind, if you can see those shiny stuffs. But I'm actually gonna buy a ring light, and that's actually a pretty good one, or buy two of those really big ones. So don't worry, the only thing that I want to say is the best light is the ring light. Search it on Google and you will see, and you will know what I'm saying. Is it pricey? Yes. Tip number 5, good and catchy title and thumbnail. This actually a lot of people complains about this, of I have a lot of videos and no one's watched it. Well, you don't have a good or thumbnail that is catchy, and I'm not even going to say the word, well, I'm gonna say now, but don't think in this way of clickbait. There's two different ways of clickbaiting. Clickbait of the fake one, like if you see the video and okay, this is not about this, but if you do a clickbait and is this the thing that you're talking about, and you make it funnier, like if it's a joke on that video in like less than 1 minute in the video, and that's the title of the video, then that's not clickbait. Seriously, I'm not even kidding, that's not clickbait. If that was a clickbait, Onlyplays never existed. Thumbnails, if you don't have Photoshop, use paint.net because it's actually pretty good. I'm not even kidding, paint.net is pretty good for actually free. Yes, you heard it well, right, free. But if you have Photoshop and if you do not know how to use it, use it. The only way that you will know how to use it is by using it. Like, it took time on the first times doing the thumbnails, but now I use like done. So it's really easy now, okay? Trust me, I'm a YouTuber in 8 years. 6, and this is actually a pretty good one, and interact with the fans, subscribers. When you are actually doing a video, when you actually interact with people, they feel noticed, and when they say that, they will share that, oh, I appeared in this video, and with that probably the other person is gonna be like, wow, I wanna be there too, and then they will subscribe to you and they will see the videos. And the only way that you can retrieve is actually put them on the video and not like, hey, this is this, or not gonna shout out. It's not shout outing, it's like what I'm gonna do, the monster of the day with the animations. I'm gonna have the monster of the day, and that's how I did it. Shoujo City 2 on my channel, like my girlfriend name, I changed it for the top comment YouTube name. I love it. I will do more videos of that, but I don't have time, and my hair is so bad. What is wrong with me today? 7. And for me, what actually helped me the most is, and I know this will be like weird to say this, but this will help you a lot. Be the viewer. Before you're doing the video, you will have to find a way. Like, if you were the viewer, what would you write on YouTube, and what would you search on YouTube? And like, oh, is this happens, or this is true, or something like that, or like a secret on a game. And then if you think about that, and if you don't even need to search, if people already tried it, you try yourself. So when that happens, you can get like a lot more views, and like, wow, this person heard me. But it was just being the viewer itself, because a lot of people does this because before they were just the viewers, just like you guys, and you guys can get 1K. I hope, because this actually helped me getting tons of more subscribers than 1K. That's why I have 75. Anyways, 8, and this is the important one, because this will talk about money. Don't enter a network just for now. For now, don't enter a network, and here's why. When you are actually entering a network, they will help you, they will contact you, but please do not just, oh, good network, oh, Machinima, okay, let me enter. No! Don't please enter on Machinima or even another one. Search a lot. If no one's talking about, if no one's talking bad about that network, then you found a top one, because you will find someone saying bad stuff on that network. For my network that I'm doing, that I have, no one said anything bad of my network. And I can say what is my network, which is Curse. If you do not know, you go on my video description, it's like the last link. If you want to join the network, I mean, if you go there, I think I received something, I don't know, to be honest. I have that to be like, if people want to know if I have a network, and I do have. Why am I saying do not enter? Because first, YouTube changed the rules. Now you don't get any money if you have like 1K, or even if you don't have 10K subscribers and 12K views in general, you will not get any money. For me, that's really bad. YouTube, sometimes you do it, sometimes you don't, and this is one of them. I do understand that why you're doing this. I'm not affected by this anymore. Like, if I was affected right now with that, I wouldn't even gonna continue. But I do know that it's not easy, but it is possible to get subscribers like mine, and just continue. Trust me, if you think YouTube is hard, it is, but if you work as hard as everyone else that succeed on YouTube, then you can do it. That's what I have to do, okay? That's what I actually did, and look where am I now. So when you actually get like 10K subscribers and 12K views in general, then enter a network, but please search a lot of that network. Says, if someone says it's a scam, they don't pay you back. If you wanna have a good network for gameplays, if a gaming channel, Curse is a good one. Just gonna say that. 9, and actually everything is important, but this is how you get the views, and go with it, and that is go with the trends. Like Yandere Sim, before it was like a beast, still is. I'm not even going to say it still is, but that's how I started. I went it on the trends of Yandere Sim and I did it. Then Doki Doki, and then a lot more Bandy. I don't wanna remember of Bandy. You know why? If not, then oh, you didn't watch me calling Bandy. I'm not even going to say anymore. Go with the trends, make something, and then be the viewer or think what you have to search on YouTube. I'm gonna have a bonus, like a 9.5. Be funny on the videos, because being funny is actually pretty important, because if people think that you're serious, don't try to be serious. If it is actually a important video, then yes, go serious. But if you actually want to make people laugh and entertain, like try to make a funny video. And then what actually inspired me to do, I do not know if this is gonna help, but this helped me realizing a little bit, and this is just 3 words, and I got to 75. Those 3 words is just keep uploading, and do every tip that I said, and you can do it. I didn't say anything from editing, video editing. Like, there's so many good editing editors now, free editors. I do think I use Premiere Pro and Sony Vegas. Probably I'm gonna do this video on Sony Vegas because I don't have time. Oh my god, it's already okay, it's midnight. Well, anyways, so thank you guys so much for watching. This is how you get actually 1K in 10 minutes. You will learn how to get 1K in more than 10 minutes. I do not know how many minutes this is gonna be. For me it's 20. So yeah, thank you guys so much for hearing me, for trying to give you some tips, you know, some tips. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome, guys.